In this video, I'll guide you through how to add your portfolio website to your LinkedIn profile. Whether you're showcasing your work to potential employers or just wanting to highlight your skills, adding a portfolio link is a great way to enhance your profile. Let's dive right in. First, you need to open your favorite web browser and head over to linkedin.com. Make sure you're logged in to your LinkedIn account. Once you're on the homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner. You'll see your profile icon there. Go ahead and click on it. After you click on your profile icon, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select View Profile. This will take you to your personal LinkedIn profile page where you can start making the changes needed to add your portfolio link. Now that you're on your profile page, look for the Add Profile section button. It's usually located near the top of your profile, right under your profile picture and headline. Click on it to reveal more options for enhancing your profile. Once you've clicked on Add Profile section, you'll see several options appear. You want to focus on the recommended section, so go ahead and click on that. This section contains suggestions for improving your profile, and adding your portfolio is one of them. Next, look for the option to add projects and click on it. This will open a new section specifically for showcasing projects you've worked on, which is the perfect place to highlight your portfolio. In the new section that opens up, you'll need to enter some details about your project. Start by entering a project name. This could be the name of your portfolio or something that clearly identifies the type of work you're showcasing. Then add a brief description. This is your chance to explain what your portfolio is about, the skills you're highlighting, and any other information you think is relevant. After you've entered the name and description, look for the Add Media option. Click on it and you'll see a couple of different choices. You want to select Add a Link. This is where you'll be able to input the URL to your portfolio website. Now enter the URL of your portfolio website in the space provided. Make sure to double check the link to ensure it's working correctly. Once you've entered your URL, click on Apply. This action links your portfolio to your LinkedIn profile, making it visible to anyone who views your profile. Finally, after you've checked everything and made sure the information is correct, go ahead and click Save. This will save all the changes you've made and officially add your portfolio to your LinkedIn profile. And there you have it. Your portfolio website is now part of your LinkedIn profile, ready to be seen by potential employers, colleagues, and anyone else who might be interested in your work. Adding this link can enhance your professional presence and provide a comprehensive view of your abilities and accomplishments. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials.